Carwin, how much is this property? So this model house is actually for sale for 120 million pesos. And yes, lahat po ng gamit is included na, nakita nyo sa video. So literal na titirhan nyo na lang siya. But if you're not in a hurry, I highly recommend kagaya sa mga clients namin na nakapag-invest na dito sa Trava to invest in a lot only first. And then you can start building your own dream house. So ina-allowed naman po tayo ni Trava magtayo ng sarili nating design ng bahay as long as it's follow the modern Asian tropical theme. So you can choose a lot here from around 550 square meter to 750 square meter. And ang price range naman ng mga lots natin dito sa Trava is around 42,000 to 50,000 per square meter, depende sa mapipili ninyong property. Imagine if you invested in a lot only here in Trava with the minimum cut of 550 square meter, that's only 42,000 per square meter times 550. So around